Cancer continues to be the leading cause of mortality because conventional imaging methods are not specific and only identify a region of interest. As a result, cancer is often diagnosed at later stages after it has already spread, making it increasingly difficult to treat. That's why Imagine Biosystems is developing the MagSense technology for safe, early cancer detection with the potential to surpass conventional methods such as X-ray, MRI, and ultrasound. MagSense technology is a new imaging method that uses biofunctional nanoparticles to detect cancer cells without harmful ionizing radiation. It's more specific than MRI or computer tomography and will reduce the need for costly and invasive surgical biopsies. MagSense nanoparticles are designed to be 1,000 times smaller than a single blood cell. Each nanoparticle is coated with antibodies specific for the cancer type. Upon injection, the tiny nanoparticles harmlessly circulate through the bloodstream, finding the suspected tumor if present and bind to its surface. A brief, weak magnetic pulse activates the magnetic property of nanoparticles immobilized at the tumor, creating a magnetic beacon for the high-sensitivity magnetic sensors to precisely locate the tumor. Imagine's MagSense technology has been designated by the US FDA as a breakthrough device because it has the potential to significantly change cancer care. For the latest updates on our innovation pipeline, sign up for our newsletter or follow Imagine Biosystems on Twitter.